Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well, and today I have a big pack of texture and backgrounds. Here is 6 folder. First is animals, you see here, and you can check quality. Here is a 7.26 MB file. Wow. And next is galaxies. Resolution is 3.81 MB, and here is 3.26 MB. Amazing. Next is geometrics. You can use a background of banners or poster. Oh, here is 1.87, 2.76, 2.52 MB, and here is 1.72 MB. Filters, here is 20 files, 11.8 MB. Wow, here is 13.4. That's mean these are full high definition files, are HQ file, like high quality. Here is 12.8. Wow, you can change color in Adobe Photoshop like this. Drag to Photoshop and simply press Ctrl U. I know you can do easily. Press Ctrl U and you can change color. You see, depend on your own choice. Okay. And next is watercolor. Here is 30 watercolor textures and background JPGs. Here is JPG pack 1, 2, and here is last PNG file. Watercolor, you can change color in Photoshop. Simply just press Ctrl U. Here is JPG files, and here is JPG files. Last file is whites. You see, and I hope this data useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.